What's up guys, it's John here with Freeman Fitness, and today I'm going to go over a low back sequence that if you're having low back tightness or chronic low back pain, this should be part of your morning routine or part of your warm up or cool down from your workout program. Alright, if you have any pain during these exercises, obviously you want to stop and consult with a physician. But for general low back pain, if you struggle with chronic low back pain, you wake up and your back is tight, give these a try. I promise that they'll help you be more mobile throughout your day. First one is the Cobra pose. So on your belly, okay? The beginner position is, can you tolerate lying on your stomach with your hands by your side? If you feel a little tightness or pain there, just hold it right there. If the pain's intolerable, you get out of that position. If this is easy, come up onto your elbows. Try to just relax your low back, press the ground away from you, and just hold and breathe. All right, if you still don't feel much of a stretch there, hands right next to your chest, press the ground away from you, breathe, and relax your hips and belly towards the ground. Keep your shoulders away from your ears and look up towards the sky. I like to hold these for about 30 seconds or so, and then come back down, take about a 15-second break, and do 3 of those. All right, that's stretch number 1. Stretch number 2 is a child's pose. Hands out in front of you, sit back towards your heels, drop your chest towards the ground, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. All right, a couple keys to this stretch here. Make sure that your feet aren't wide, right? They're nice and close to each other. Knees are just about shoulder width apart as you sit your butt back towards your heels, okay? You might not get all the way towards your heels, but the goal is butt towards heels, chest towards ground, and hold. Same thing, I like to do 3 sets of about 30-second holds, making sure you're working on your breathing and relaxing through the stretch as much as possible. What that does is gonna take your spine and it's gonna bring it through a flexion process to alleviate some of the tension in your low back, all right? From there, you go on your back, do something called the figure 4 stretch. All right, so on your back, cross your ankle over your knee, and you'll see you make this little space between your feet. You reach your hand right through that space, grab the back of your leg with both hands, and pull in. If you don't have the flexibility to reach through and grab, you can just stay right in this position here with your foot on the ground and gently push the knee out to the side. Again, 30-second holds 3 times is a great place to start, and you'll do that on both sides. All right, so reach through, grab, pull the knee towards your chest. As you're doing this stretch, you should feel the stretch right through the butt muscle, right? And you hold them, okay? Right from there, put one leg straight, bring the knee up. You're gonna grab the knee with both your hands and pull the knee towards the opposite shoulder. Again, feeling the stretch mainly through the butt area. Hold for 30 seconds, 3 times. If you want to advance that stretch and add a little rotation to it, put your arm out to the side, grab the knee, and allow your body to rotate. Breathing through, try to inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. As you take your inhales, your belly should rise. Exhale, your belly should fall. Okay, that's how you work on good breathing techniques. Next is a hamstring stretch. What you'll need is a long strap. I like this strap. It's called the stretch out strap. You can get it on Amazon. I think it's like 10 bucks or 15 bucks. But you could use a rope, a belt, a long towel. Dog leash works really well. You wrap it right around the middle of your foot, lie on your back. If your back really bothers you with this, keep your other knee bent, keep this knee straight, pull it back till you get a nice stretch through the hamstring. Hold for 30 seconds, 3 times. If you want to increase the stretch a little bit, you can put this leg straight and then pull the leg up from there. Make sure you're holding for 30 seconds, keeping this knee nice and straight, and make sure that your toe is not pointed out or in, pointed straight in line with your knee and your hip. Again, just working on your breathing. Try to relax as you feel the stretch come through the back of the leg. Work that onto both sides, 3 times, 30 seconds. And then the last stretch we'll do is a hip flexor stretch for the front of the hip, okay? What you'll do is put one knee on the ground, one foot in front of you like this, okay? Make sure your core stays tight, belly button to spine, both hands on the knee, and you're gonna lunge forward until you feel good stretch through the hip flexor, okay? Make sure, if you're having back pain with this, a lot of times because you're not activating your core and you're just kind of falling into it with this big arch in your low back, you don't want to do that. It's a sloppy position. Before you get into the stretch, belly button to spine, try to have a little pelvic tilt going on, keep your belly tight. As you lean forward, you should feel the stretch right in front of your hip. If you were to put your hand in your pocket, you should feel that's where the muscle that you're feeling is, right in that area. Again, hold for 30 seconds, 3 times. A little pro tip here, if you want to increase the stretch, reach your arm up over the side like this, and that will really increase that stretch down the side. All right? Give those a shot. You want to practice these every day. What we did was we mobilized your spine a little bit and your hips. Super important. As we move throughout the day, our hips directly affect what our back's going to do. So got to keep the hips mobile, got to keep the spine flexible. 2 very important things for spine health. All right? Give it a try. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Have a great day. Be healthy.